Do you sometimes get burned out in singing? My answer is, so? Is that so bad? Let's discuss 6 main reasons and solutions for singer burnout. And then I'm going to demo in different styles and show you some songs that just put me in a good mood no matter what. Welcome back to another edition of Victoria's Vocal Tips. 34 years of teaching voice. 46 years of studying voice, all different styles. My students have ranged from ultra beginners all the way through advanced touring professionals, voice teachers, choral directors, and competition winners. I always give you serious vocal technique made simple and fun. Before we go any further, please stop feeling guilty about occasional burnout. You know what happens if you let guilt take over? You start thinking, oh, how come I'm feeling burned out? Maybe I'm not really a singer. Maybe this isn't meant for me. You know, a lot of us singers are passionate people and we don't realize when we overdo it. Believe me, I can relate to that. In case you haven't noticed, I'm a little bit intense and sometimes go over the top. So, occasional burnout is normal. Let's talk about the reasons and what to do. Reason number 1, you're working too hard. Remember, there has to be a balance of work and play. Maybe you're working too hard in your exercises, but remember, play is in the songs. That's where the fun is. Reason number 2, you're not enjoying your songs. Maybe you only work on hard songs. Maybe you only work on high notes, belting, dramatic songs, quiet singing. Please remember, variety is easier on your voice and more fun for you. And don't only work on hard songs. Easy songs allow you to have fun and experience the freedom and joy of singing. Otherwise, singing becomes work, work, work. And what happened to the fun? Songs are where you get to step outside of yourself, to be someone else, even if it's just for 5 minutes. You can let your inner feelings come out in your songs. A lot of students have told me that singing is their therapy, or they say it's like praying. Make sure to see my demos to hear the songs that help me feel good no matter what. Reason number 3, unrealistic expectations. You've heard me say this many times. Some techniques in singing can make an immediate difference, while other things take a longer term to develop. So stop beating yourself up and just have fun knowing that singing is a lifelong endeavor, and aren't you lucky to be able to sing? Reason number 4, you take yourself too seriously. We have to be able to laugh at ourselves. I've had students come to lessons and they say, oh, I'm tired today and I haven't practiced enough, so I'm probably not going to be in good voice. And then I say, okay, I'll try not to throw any tomatoes. And then they laugh. And then at the end of the lesson, they feel great and I feel great too. We have to accept that the voice is a human instrument and some days are better than others. That's just fine because we're not robots. Reason number 5, comparing your voice to others. Are you still doing that? Please remember that your voice is as unique as your thumbprint. There is no other voice like yours in the world. There never has been and there never will be. So rejoice in what is unique about your voice and train from there. And number 6, it's okay to take a break. So don't deny yourself if you need it. Let it be, let it be. We often get this inner turmoil, like there's something so wrong with us if we're feeling burnt out, and then we feel guilty. Maybe I'm not a singer. So just take a break if you need it. Take a few hours, a few days, a week, whatever. You'll find that you can't wait to get back to singing and you'll come back refreshed. Okay. I'm going to demo a few lines from 12 different songs. These are examples of songs that just make me feel good. They don't need a lot of practice. I'm not going to step over to the piano. I could sing this in the shower, in the kitchen, in my practice room, wherever. So I'm not thinking about technique. I'm just doing this for myself to have fun. Gray skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, and don't it feel good? So that was my happy song. Sometimes I'd rather sing a depressing song and really get into it. I would rather I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me, child. Or maybe I have the Monday blues, or it's raining. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. So you've probably noticed I'm old school and I like to sing oldies because they make me happy. So it's raining. What about raindrops keep falling on my head? Or what about a dreamy song? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. I was kind of tired when I started making this video, but now I feel happy. What about a light, flirty song? What about some classical? Del cuore più non mi sento, brilla la gioventù. Or sometimes I like to sing a song with a lot of rhythm. What about some disco? Get down, boogie, oogie, oogie. Get down, boogie, oogie, oogie. What about some feel-good Friends songs? Keep shining, keep smiling, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. Or, oh, you got to have friends. The feeling's oh so strong. Or what about a feel-good love song? I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm a lonely night. Or an inspirational song. Oh, greet the world. Oh, greet the world. So as you see, a lot of the fun I have in singing is the ability to do different things with my voice and sing in different styles. I do cover this in my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program. And if you haven't gotten it yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can make the program as intense or as fun as you like. We cover everything from vocal colors, vocal textures, all different styles, troubleshooting whatever your vocal problems are. I give you a short and a long workout and hundreds of options for whatever your vocal needs are. The best part is it's super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I want to meet you. So see the link below and sign up right away. It is now time for Victoria's Wisdom. Last week, one of my students said something so profound in a lesson that I asked her if I could repeat it here. She said, singing is my temple of joy. What a beautiful thing to say. Actually, we were having a very serious discussion about her singing and her gigs and where to gig next. And far beyond the business side of singing, the truth is, if you're not coming from joy, nothing is worth it anyway. So if you need to take a short break, that's fine. But always be in touch with the joy of music and the joy of singing, which is why you started this journey in the first place. So what are your feel-good songs? Songs that make you happy no matter what? Let me know in the comments. See my playlist on how to stay motivated in singing and have more fun. And if you would like to hear me sing in different styles and also hear some of my students from beginner through advanced, see my playlist on singing performances. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.